Welcome to this video regarding how to download the agro-meteorological data of any country or any specific site from State Climate Information Tool developed by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. The link of this platform will be given in the description of this video. In order to download the required data set of any area, we need to put either the location name or the latitude or longitude. We can also zoom in and click on over point of interest. Let's suppose we are interested in India at this point to download the climate and also the evapotranspiration data. It will display two different data sets. One is historic data from 1961 till 1990 with a spatial resolution of 10 arc minutes, and the source is also provided here. This dataset is from Copernicus, which is from 1979 till present with a spatial resolution of 6 arc minutes. It mainly contains the climatic data. The source is attached here, and you can visit their site in order to see the data descriptions and your main variables which are included in this dataset. To download the evapotranspiration data, we need to click on the ET0 calculator. Here it gives the monthly average values for precipitation, wet days, minimum, maximum, and mean temperature, relative humidity, sunshine hours, wind speed, and reference evapotranspiration per month, and also reference evapotranspiration per day. In order to explore the details of this dataset, we need to click on the crop what on line. Here you can see the climate data, the crop data, the soil data, and the soil water balance data. If you have your own recorded data or measured data, you can also change any of these parameters. To download this dataset, you just need to click on the CSV button. To download the climate data, we need to click on this button. It also gives you the flexibility to select any year from 1979 till present. Let's suppose we are interested in the more recent year of 2021. In this window, you can see the location of the area, which is Madhya Pradesh, India, along with the given latitude and longitude. And here you can see the monthly average value of precipitation, minimum temperature, maximum, and mean temperature, relative humidity, sunshine hours, wind speed, and also reference evapotranspiration. You can copy these values and paste in your Excel sheet.